Unlock the secrets to crafting stunning AI art by transforming ChatGPT's creative storytelling into Leonardo AI's visual masterpiece, all in under 90 seconds. Tired of generic AI art? The key to truly unique visuals lies in the prompts today. We're diving into a powerful, narrative-driven method using ChatGPT's story mode to generate incredible prompts for Leonardo AI. First, let's engage ChatGPT in story mode. You can do this by starting a conversation with a request like, "Tell me a story about," or "Imagine a world," where the goal is to encourage ChatGPT to build a rich narrative with descriptive details. As ChatGPT weaves its tale, pay close attention to the sensory details, the atmosphere, and the unique elements it introduces. These are the gold mines for your Leonardo AI prompts. Now, let's extract those gems. Look for compelling character traits, unusual settings, specific lighting conditions, or even emotional tones. For instance, if the story mentions a knight clad in obsidian armor, illuminated by the faint glow of an alien moon, these are your keywords. We'll then refine and combine these elements into a structured prompt for Leonardo AI. Think about the subject, the style, and the overall mood for that night. Example: you might craft a prompt like epic fantasy portrait of a warrior in obsidian armor, under a bioluminescent alien moon, digital painting, atmospheric, cinematic lighting. Next, think about the world building. Is your story set in a forgotten city, a futuristic metropolis, or a whimsical forest? Incorporate these world elements into your prompt. For example, adding "within a crystalline forest" to our night prompt will completely transform the scene. Don't be afraid to add artistic styles and specific parameters dictated by Leonardo AI's capabilities. Mentioning cinematic lighting, hyperrealistic, or surreal can dramatically alter the output. By leveraging ChatGPT's storytelling power, you're not just creating an image. You're visualizing a narrative experiment with different story genres and extract the most captivating details to inspire truly unique and captivating AI-generated visuals. Happy prompting.